guys, it's Bobby here and welcome back to my channel. She's so random. So as you could tell, I am sitting in front of a light ring now. I said that I was going to get one, and I have a backdrop that I've still got to kind of suss out and put properly and that. But I wanted to take this opportunity while the boys are all asleep and quiet. Well, one of them's asleep and they're very quiet. And I wanted to do a review. So this review that I am doing, I actually seen on the YouTube ads. Now, I never thought that I would be one that would actually buy anything off the ads or anything that you see down the side of YouTube, but the last few days watching YouTube, just on random videos and that, I keep on seeing this product pop up and I'm like, okay, I'll have to have a look. And then anyway, I got the catalogs in the mail. And there it was on the front page. So I'm like, it's a sign to review it. It's a sign. So I might as well give it a try. It is, of course, the Flash Cat Eye. It's the L'Oreal Paris Flash Cat Eye by Eyeliner. So it is still in the package. And yes, I have gloves on. I have gloves on so you don't have to see my nasty nails and where I've been smoking. So I thought I would at least do the decency of having gloves on. But this is it. As you can see, it is still sealed. I don't know if you can see that there. No, it might not show up. Okay, but yeah, it is the L'Oreal Paris Flash Cat Eye by Eyeliner. And I seen this and I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna have to get it. So I rushed to Big W tonight, picked it up, and here I am. So it was $16, $16.75 I think, and guess what? The receipt is on the table. Hold on. Okay, so I have the receipt, and this was $16.77. So I don't know if you could see it there, if it's going to show up the right way. $16.77. So pretty cheap, pretty reasonable. I mean, if it's going to help us billions of women out there like me who can't do cat wings to save their life, then it's a pretty good investment. So $16.77. Also got a new eyeliner which I'm using tonight. It's called Kohl, K-O-H-L. Never heard of it. It was a new one there, so I was like, hey, you know, well, new to me anyway. So like I said, it is sealed, and yeah, I know that me and my sisters, me and my friends, me and the cousin, we always talk about like, you know, how we wish we could do cat liners, because I know lots of girls, like, you see women on YouTube who have probably had loads of practice and they sit there and they just go flick, down, fill, done. And I'm just like, I envy you. I really envy you. And you know, I've sat there numerous times, same with lashes. I've sat there numerous times and tried to put them on and everything, and I just don't have the patience for it. I'm one of those people that don't have the patience for it. And even when I do have the patience for it, and I've tried, it just never works out. Like, I'll get one side perfect and then the other side will be like too thick or too high. It's just like, ugh. Sometimes if you're doing it, you get really angry and then you're like, oh, fuck it, you know, and you just like get the pen or the pencil and you just scribble on yourself and you're like, oh, great, now I've got to remove all that too. So what it is from what I've read on the website, it is waterproof. It's meant to be a foolproof cat wing, and meant to give you a sultry look. You know, I think we all want that sultry look. It's meant to give you that. It apparently doesn't fade. It's waterproof, as I just said, and yeah, it won't smudge or anything. So we're going to test that theory. But it says it's pretty easy to do. It lasts 24 hours. So I'm like, okay, well, how hard can it be, right? So we're going to try. I don't know how many takes it's going to take me to do this. Hopefully just the one, because I mean, the way that this product comes along is it's really easy for anyone of all ages to try and do. So yeah, let's give this a try. So I'm going to take this off, and the whole point of it is this little part here, see the little triangle? That is meant to go on your eye, and that's what you fill in. So let's give this a try, because now I'm trying to work this out now with my eyes. Okay, so it would go like that. I'm going to come in closer. I know, forgive me if it doesn't seem right. It's because on my GoPro, like on my camera, everything seems to be like backwards. Here's a felt tip. Let's just I'll take this lid off actually, and wait on, before I do that, I know I'm confusing myself. Here we go, here we go. I don't know if you can see that step there, wait on. Okay, I'm really trying to do this properly. Well, anyway, on here, it shows you the steps. So it says 1, to position it, which is like that, so with the triangle down, and then it says number 2, fill it in. And you know, they reckon this glides on really easy. It's really easy to use. Then you take it away, you have the line, and then you just fill it in over here, you know, like drag it across and fill it. So we're gonna try it. It feels really good. It doesn't feel cold. Like, I have a liquid liner already, which is similar to this, but a bit thicker tip, and it feels like really cold, but that has gone on really good. Let's see if we can smudge it. I'm impressed. I just put that on and that literally is not coming off. So I'm very impressed with that already. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, wish me luck, guys, because I'm going to need all of this. Right, so triangle down. Now, I do know just from watching several videos that they always say to do your wing above the little crease here that you have. Because it's just what they say. But it says on instructions to hold this like at a 90-degree angle. So, we're gonna have to make sure that we get our angles right on both sides. Otherwise, one's gonna be up here and one could be down. I don't know. But I'm only gonna try this once. So hey, you know, it might take a few tries. But I am really impressed with that because that still has not smudged or come off. So very impressed. All right, so let's give this a go. Okay. Okay, that looks about right. Okay, let me just, yeah, okay, now I can see in the reflection, all right. Okay, so we're gonna move it a bit closer. All right, I'm sorry, I'm really trying to do this without ruining this completely. For once I feel like I might have something. So, it says to fill it, okay. Okay, let's be honest. It's not completely bad, but I am trying to do this. Okay, no, I don't think that's going to work. Okay, we're going to have to just really try and steady this across. Okay. And I really don't think we've gotten it. And remember, sometimes if this is like too wet and you don't want it to like kind of stay wet, you can always pack a little bit of black eyeshadow. I know I'm no expert, I'm sorry, I'm no expert. Okay, but it's just what I've watched, all right? So look, like I said, it could require a little bit of practice. I do like that it is guideline, okay? And like I said, I don't have, oh, okay, I almost put a dot beside it then. Okay, but look, let's just go to the other side before we fuck it up, okay? And let me, okay, I'm looking in the reflection, so I know it looks like I'm looking at you guys, but I'm actually looking at the reflection, and let's see if, okay, this looks a bit better. Let me see if we can get this. Because, you know, this doesn't smudge off so far, and gonna be stuck with it for a little bit. Okay, it's because it goes on really like smoothly, like it does claim. It really does. It really feels like you're not colouring it, but yeah. Okay, look. All right, let's just look. They are the correct same. Okay, let me. It's like even more nerve-wracking going back in to kind of drag it across. Okay, let me just. And like I said, you know, you always do one that's like, thicker than the other. And then, you know, some girls I've watched, they start like in the middle, or they start right over here and just go slowly and then flick. But, you know, look, this is all for fun. And, you know, I don't think I'm ever going to get the hang of a cat. Oh, fuck. I don't think I'm ever going to get the hang of this, but look, this, okay, as you can tell, that one kind of looks like a bit more of like just a line. And then that one looks a little bit thicker. But yeah, no. I will say, out of 10, I do like this product. It has a really good review rate at the moment. A lot of girls giving it 5-star. Like I said, it might take a little bit of practice. But hey, look, I am really loving it. I mean, this goes on, this is really flexible, so you can bend it, and that's what I like. Yeah, out of 10, I would give this, look, considering that you need a bit more practice, I would give it like a 9.5. So I do think that it is up there. I really do. I mean, I know it's available anywhere on the website, L'Oreal.com. But for those of you who are here in Australia, if you aren't in the city where you've got Sephora and shit, and you just live in a little town, go to Big W. I really highly doubt that Kmart would have it, Target maybe. But Big W, they have it on special now for $16.77. So check that out. Like I said, I give it a 9.5 out of 10. It is highly rated up there. I do think it works. It does, as I said, doesn't smudge. And yeah, I like it. Like I said, a bit more practice and we'll get there, guys. So who knows, maybe the next video that I do, because I do have some more reviews coming up, who knows, maybe I might have them a bit more perfect for you. But yeah, get yourselves one, especially if you're like me and you can't do catwings to save your life. So yeah, it was fun. I hope that you give this a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And hey, as I always say, until next time, guys, take it easy, take care, and I'll see you then.